Now, let's do one more thing. Now that we have passed an array into an array, right? Let's write another method. Public static void change value. And it will also receive an entire array prices. After it receives the prices array, it will change the value of only the last item to 10,000. Now let's go back to line number 17. Press enter. After you call the display the first time, called change value, pass prices, and then call the display again to see if changing the value of an element in another method would also change it in the main or not. That's what we're testing. Changing an element's value in a different method to which we have passed the array will also change it in the main or not. And when you run it, you will see that it does changes it, right? This is called pass by reference, and this is the only pass by reference in Java, where you pass an array into an array. If a receiver changes anything, the passer also gets changed.